Alright, so now we're going to find the area of a parallelogram, and I purposefully threw the parallelogram in there with the trapezoid so you guys could see what we're doing. But basically, remember that because this is a parallelogram, the formula is the area is equal to the base times the altitude height. Okay? Where this is the base and this is the altitude height. So my area is just going to be 7.8 yards times 6.9 yards. And so we're just going to plug that into the calculator. So I've got 7.8 times 6.9, like so. Hit enter and I get 53.82. So this is 53.82 yards squared. And again, we're asked to round to the nearest tenths. So we go to the 8 and we look one space to the right. 2 is less than 4, so we round down. So that means that my area is approximately 53.8 yards squared.